best Android OS for PC and laptops. So if you want the best Android OS for your PC and laptop, then here are some. First we have is fydeos. It's built with Android app support and Linux integration. If you want a 32-bit version, then fydeos only supports 64-bit architecture and it is available exclusively for Intel computers. It's ideal for those who spend most of their time online and want a lightweight, modern OS without sacrificing functionality. Next we have is Android x86. Android x86 is lightweight and compatible with a wide range of hardware. Moreover, multi-window support reminds you it's on a computer. Android x86 features only the stock apps, meaning you will have to install a few basic applications you plan to keep on your Android for your computer. Next we have is Chrome OS. Chrome OS is Google's official operating system for Chromebooks, which is now available to install on PCs using Chrome OS Flex. The best thing you will experience is faster boot times and performance. Unlike Windows or even Android, it's not going to bother you with occasional lags and hiccups. It's super fast and clean UI. Next we have is Bliss OS. Bliss OS is a powerful and feature-rich Android operating system built specially for PCs based on Android 11 and above. It gives a true desktop class experience. Bliss is specialized for its smooth experience and flexibility. Talking about the features, it has two modes, desktop and tablet. If you have a touchscreen computer, you can opt for the second one. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.